what my husband likes to call my online shopping problem, because you can no longer just break down these boxes and set them on the curb for the trash to pick up. Our waste management company requires that you take all this and fit it into this, a large trash bag. So how do you get this into this? Swanson Tool Company has a solution. The jab saw. This version is the SVK666. It comes with the jab saw itself, spare blades, and the carrying pouch. The jab saw by itself is model number SVK667. I think I can get the whole job done with just this utility blade, but I do like that I have this saw blade as an option if things get a little crazy. I think this can do it, but let's find out. Well, that was quite a project, but this will now fit into this. I just have to do a little cardboard origami. Hold please. Ta-da! It was definitely a tight fit, I'm not gonna lie to you. That is a lot of cardboard in one trash bag. But thanks to the Swanson Savage jab saw, that was a pretty easy task. Did you see how I locked that up? The blade just opens simply and locks open. This piece slides over to keep it in place. So you just slide it back with your thumb and lock the blade in when you're ready to put it back. That was easy, and now my husband can pull the car back into the garage. Everyone goes home happy. The Swanson Savage Jab Saw from Swanson Tool Company.